Hi, I'm Meg.
Hi, I'm Rosie.
And we are members of Carrymore. Carrymore means for the love of the sea, and we have started something called ocean farming. We're based in Pembrokeshire, and we've begun growing seaweed and shellfish as a regenerative form of food production.
It's a new way of going about it. Hand harvesting seaweed has been around for years and years and years, but the way we're going around it is to create a micro-habitat, and it just helps fishermen around here, and it just brings everyone in.
It is the first ocean farm in Wales, so this is like the beginning of an industry. We supply lots of local pubs and restaurants here in St David's, but also like the local, kind of wider local area.
A lot of people that came in from other parts of Wales and the UK, they were all quite shocked that we're involved with the actual boat work, because it's always seen as like a hard job and you've got to be strong and fit. And yeah, we've come across a few that didn't expect we could do it.
Seaweed is the first sector of the fishing industry where it is female-led. So I feel like as seaweed is such a big part of what we're doing, and it's like a big motivation for a lot of the members in Carrymore, it is something that women can really feel a part of, and also it's just something that looks like it has a great potential in terms of food source or health or carbon sequestration or rebuilding marine ecosystems. And in terms of dealing with the fishermen, it's always just kind of something that gives everyone a chuckle, saying that we're just dealing with the weed or the seaweed. So yeah, it's great. For me, working as part of the team of Carrymore is brilliant, because I feel like I have a meaningful job that I would hope a lot of younger women would begin to consider. In terms of our community benefit society, we have a say on wages, we have a say on what our job looks like. We're able to vocalise what we want the business to be and how we want it to evolve. So it's a very empowering position to be in. As well as being a woman and being younger, it's been really noticeable to see that we're in danger of these skills, marine skills, dying out, because so many fishermen are of an older generation. So it's been really refreshing to kind of begin to go out and begin to build these ocean farms, which would mean that for a local community, it can hold on to those all-important skills that we do have at the moment, but are at risk of dying out completely.
So as well as adopting old traditional skills, we're also bringing in a lot of new knowledge, so stuff like environmental monitoring that we're doing at the farms at the moment. I think if ocean farms like ours take off, then there could definitely be more academic roles within the fishing industry.
Ocean farming brings together lots of different sectors, so we've been working with universities and academics since we've started the cooperative, so we feel like if we can establish these ocean farms and we can get more developed,